First of all, good evening to you all. This is Kamal here, and today I'm going to give you a training on how you can farm your Facebook accounts using Face Dominator. Okay, so I have built couple of profiles. Like this is one of my profile targeting a professional niche. Then this is how it looks if you try to find it on Facebook. And I'm going to share you share your method how you can create such profiles and then farm them to get more friends. So our first step is to create a Facebook account. For creating a Facebook account, we prefer to have a female profile, which could have a normal profile picture. And if you can get a girl in yoga dress, that would work much better. Like if you could see all the pics which I have used looking normal pics, right? So once you have created a profile, you have picked a normal profile picture, you need to find some similar pages of that girl. You can use it to update on your walls later. Like I have done the same picture of that particular girl, which were looking normal, and I have used those to update later. The next step should be to upload a normal cover picture. The cover picture which you are going to use with your profile should not be uh, should not promote your product or something. It should be a normal. It should be showing you only. Then you need to complete your profile with the maximum details as possible so that it looks genuine to Facebook. It looks genuine to the users to whom you interact with. Then we need to move to our step two, where we are going to build our profile and we will do some postings on our page. Uh, So the first step should be, since you are going to build a profile in your niche, you need to find some big pages which are active. So if your niche is based on sports, you can search sports, find some pages, check the people, how many people have liked them, visit those pages, and here you need to check out if that page is active or not. For that, you can check the post, how frequently that page is making posts. So if you will see this page, we can find that this page is making post like every 1 hour. If you go to this, these are not the pages. So if we check this page here as well, we can find that this page posts every few hours, and we can see that there are lots of engagements here, 2.5k likes, Then we can see lots of comments, right? So we need to find such pages and we need to follow these pages so that we can engage with this, with the people who are engaging here, and get them to send us friend request. Our next step should be to like and comment over the post from those pages. So if you have found this page to be followed, then you need to like or comment on this post so that you can get engaged with this page, and people may come to know that you are also following like them and you are also interested in the niche which you are. What the third thing you can do is to share the post from these pages on your wall, and to automate that you can use Socioboard. And this Socioboard is having a share down feature which can auto share page posts at regular interval like 15 minutes, 30 minutes, 1 hour, whatever you want to set. Once you are done with above the steps, you need to make sure that you do not ask users to add you as a friend while engaging with pages. Like if you are engaging with this page while writing a comment, you should not ask the users or the other people who are engaging with this page to add you as friend, as that may be marked as spam, and the page admin may block you or may mark you as spam, and your account may get blocked. Now, the third step, like which the many internet marketers follow, is they instantly start joining the groups in their niche. But we should not start joining the group just after we have signed up to Facebook, as this looks unusual and your accounts may get flagged. So the first groups which we should join after joining Facebook would be like add me as friends, like for like, share for share, groups. Look for the groups which are active and having good number of members. So we can find groups like add me as friends, like this. If you want to build a friend profile from Germany, you can use this group. Then if you are targeting location as England, then you can use this group, or for Canada you can use this group. You can join this. This is an open group, so you could join this. You can engage there. Okay. So for engagement, you don't need to go there and post to add me. While posting, you should not write that add me as a friend. You just need to post some random picture. You have downloaded some picture, as I have mentioned in the step 2. You should post those picture on this group and just say hello to the group. If, you can also post motivational quotes, funny pictures, some random videos, links to get attraction from active users. Now I will show you some of the profiles which I have built using this method. You can see this account, this girl profile which I have made is having 2507 friends in just a week. The same with this profile, I have been able to grow up to 2490 friends in just a week. I still have lots of friend requests coming in unaccepted. Once I start accepting those, it's going to reach 5000 friends. So the same way, if we will follow the methods up to here, we will build we can get lots of friend requests and grow our profile to 5000 friends without even sending lots of friend requests. So that's what our step 3 is. Now what our step 4 is to join some groups which are in the niche. Now since you have farmed, you have made your account to look genuine, you have made your profile to look genuine, so that others are sending friend requests to you, and you have grown those accounts to up to 2000 to 3000 friends. It's time to grow your account based on your niche. You need to join some groups which are in your niche and that you can target later. And you need to show your engagement by liking those posts from these groups. And once you start getting engaged there, you will start getting number of more friend requests, and these people are going to be the ones who are in your targeted niche. But you need to go slow and start adding them in slow manner. Now I will show you how you can do all this using Page Dominator. So this is our platform, Page Dominator, and this is our accounts manager section. Here you can add accounts. If you just have a single account, you can add with add single account option. Multiple accounts at once, you can load multiple accounts, pick a CSV or text file, and the software will read that and add your all your accounts. If you want to delete accounts, you can delete those accounts with this delete accounts button. So I have my profile added here. Okay. Now, as I have mentioned, we need we need to grow our accounts by doing activities randomly on our on Facebook. So we have certain features here which helps you to randomly do activities on Facebook from your account. So first feature which we have here is to auto accept friends. So if you are getting friend requests on your profile, you could just check this option and set the limit of the number of people you want to accept in a day, and the software will run daily and accept the people who are sending you friend requests. We suggest that you should not go above 200 per day, because Facebook may mark your account as spam. But if you will see the profiles which I have created, I was able to accept over 500 friends in a day to grow up to 2500 people. So you could set here count as 200. Then the next feature which we have is to comment randomly on friends wall. You can load multiple comments here. The software will find the post from your friends, and it will pick one of the comments which you have set here and comment on the post of your friends. The third option which we have is to like friends post randomly. So to keep engaged with Facebook, to do some activity and to farm your accounts, you need to be more and more engaged. For that purpose, you can like the You can like the post of your friends randomly. Then we have post random updates on your wall. Here you can load multiple messages, multiple posts, which will get posted on your wall as a status updates. We suggest to keep this count as low as possible because these are going to be the status update and a normal person posts hardly 2 or 3 times a day when they start using Facebook. The next option we have is to like page posts randomly. So as I have shown you, as we have learned in the step 2 that we need to like and comment over the posts from the pages, big fan pages we have selected in our niche. So if you have liked those pages from your Facebook accounts, those posts will come to your feeds, and the software will find those the posts from those pages, and it is going to like them automatically. Then we have the next feature to send friend requests to suggested friends. When you have joined Facebook, Facebook will give you a list of friends as a suggestions. So that's definitely a good option to grow your Facebook account and grow more and more friends. The next option we have is to share random posts from your newsfeed. So if you are having a profile, you can share the post from your friends or from pages on your own wall. So I'm going to create a campaign with the settings where I just want to accept friends, like friends post randomly, like page post randomly, then send friend requests to suggested friends and share random posts from my news feed. I'm going to set the counts. These counts work for a day per day. Okay. Then I need to select account. I have added only one account, so I can select that one, and I can create a campaign here. I can decide if I want to run the campaign on selected days, like if I want to run the campaign on Sunday, Tuesday, Saturday, Thursday, Friday. I can set those here, or if you want, you can run the campaign on daily basis, and the software will run all this activity on daily basis. We are going to run it on daily basis. Then we have an option to create multiple batches. Now, since we have set all this count, we may not want to post all these things at once. So we can do these things at multiple parts, multiple jobs. So we can create batches here. We support 3 batches. So we can create 3 batches. We can decide a percentage to each batch. If you want, you can schedule it for later. And but since need to see this now, we are going to just save the campaign. Also, you can give name to your campaign so that you can recall it easily later. Just save the campaign. Once saved, it will get added to this campaigns panel where you can see the status of the batch which is going to run. We can see the next batch is going to be run in next 1 minute. If you want, you can pause. So the time, since it's 8:32 now, you can see that the campaign has started and the batch is running. There were no friend requests on this new profile, so it's showing that accept friend request is not having the count which we have mentioned. it was having two friend requests, so it is going to accept those two friends, which we can see here. If you want, you can also click on report and check which account, which profile has been accepted by your account. Also, we can go to our account. You can see that this people has just got connected, these two people, which we have seen in the report. Now the software has started picking the friends from your list and their post, and to like their post automatically. We can see like on friends wall, and if you will go to our account, check activity log, you can find that the profile has liked the post of your friend. Similar way, it is going to accept the friends, like the post, then it will like the post from the pages, send request to the suggested friends, and share random posts from the news feed. And we can always check if it is post if it is working or not with the reports, and we can always find which activity has been done by the software. So so that's what our step 5 was. It was to create an account farming campaign with the tool to schedule normal activities like auto accepting friends, comment randomly on friends wall, randomly like friends post, post random updates on wall, like page post randomly, send requests to suggested friends, and share random posts from your news feed. Now we can see our campaign going. If you are having any doubts related to the methods which we have used or related to the software, just leave me a comment I will reply them back right away. Okay, guys, so I will be back to you with a better webinar and more updates on next week, with how you can use Facebook group posting with Page Dominator and make more money out of it. Thank you all. Have a great weekend.